Welcome to Savage Tech Australia. Today we are talking about our fuel filter bash plates. So this is an additional piece that you can buy from our website at savagetech.com.au and it will complete the underbody protection. What you will get in the kit is one plate. You will get these. Now these go into the rail, you're going to pull it apart. Washer, 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 that's all you need. So we're going to go over to the car now. I'm going to come over to the car and show you where they go. It's going to pick up 1 and 2. So this, you back it off a little bit, put that in the rail like that, tighten this with your fingers, finger tight for now. Then we're going to grab the other one. We are going to do the same thing. So wind that down, stick that in the rail, make sure it's in the center or it'll just fall out. Remove the bottom nut and washer and screw that up into the rail like so. Finger tight's more than enough. All right, that's gonna locate there. Then the other one, you got a flat washer and a bolt and you're gonna use that to mount the fuel filter. But we're gonna do that after, that'll go there. So you got 3 bolts holding it, okay? Now, this is the fuel filter that we are protecting and everyone's worried about smashing it off-road. I haven't done so, but everyone wants a protection bash plate, so we are doing that for you. Okay, so I'll go over and grab the bash plate now and mount it up there. Okay, so we've got one bash plate and we're gonna come along and you're gonna see how it goes. You're gonna pretty much lift it up and it's gonna sit right there like that, okay? So you've got 1, 2, and then the 3rd bolt will go into here, straight in. Now, before we do that, we are going to make sure we line all this up, make sure this hole's lined up with that. They're all good, and we're going to tighten this one and this one up prior. So we'll grab the impact gun now. 121 mil. I'm going to get a 21 mil, put the socket on here, and just do that up. Do that up. So we've got the plate. Now we're going to put the plate up there and just see how it sits. Got 1, 2, then you're going to get the flat washer and the other bolt and just feed it in here. That will hold that up there. All right, so we got our 14 mil socket and we got our 2 flat washers and our nuts. This one's already on here, so we're going to put our flat. These are a 14 mil. So that one was a 13, these are 14s. And then the big one behind these were a 21. Get that, do that up, and we'll test how strong it is. It's pretty strong, ain't going anywhere, probably even do a front lever off it maybe. Yep. So yeah, pretty strong. If you want to purchase it, head to savagetech.com.au and like and subscribe, and we've got plenty of videos coming, and enjoy. Peace out.